vlog today with my beautiful Freya Roberts. She wants to be part of the video. We are doing the everything per pound. Yeah. We're gonna see what we got here. Let me just adjust this camera here. Oh God, is it a bit better? Is it a bit better, Freya? Are you curious to see what Mummy got?
Yeah, I'm very curious. Kind of like Curious Cat from a game called Pet Show in Roblox.
Oh gosh, so now we're going to talk about Roblox thing here.
Yeah, sure.
You don't miss an opportunity to bring that up, right?
I don't miss an opportunity.
No.
Never miss an opportunity. If someone says, can you tell me something about Roblox? I'm like, I'm going to tell them everything about Roblox.
I'm sure there's a lot of people interested in Roblox. And if you have children, I'm sure that's all they talk about, right? So we got one pair of shoes. I actually didn't go too crazy this time around.
What's that?
Oh, actually, it's a nice pair.
Can I open it?
Yeah, sure.
Careful.
So we've got here.
Ooh. No, look.
Oh, no, lovely. Oh, it's like Zara standards. Would you say that, Freya? Let's have a look.
Yeah, 1 second.
Let's
Look at this,
show the guys. Oh my
these.
God.
They're
Let's see
very
the back.
beautiful with diamonds.
Oh my,
like
that's
sandals.
very nice. It is very
Okay,
nice.
Mom, stop being so dramatic. Like, nice.
Freya just said I'm being dramatic. Comment down below if she's correct. But I'm not being dramatic. Just look. This is like Mango Zara standards. And this by this brand called, you know, it's a cheaper brand that we really don't care much in UK. But for £5, that's incredible. Freya, look at this. And it's proper cushioned.
Is that? Oh my God, it's actually cushioned. I'm gonna
It's
put it
so
on.
nice.
Still put it on.
You put it on, darling.
I'm gonna put it on. Can give me double shoes.
I'm sure you're gonna look nice on you.
It actually kind of fits me.
Oh, look lovely. Let me see your feet. Isn't that nice? How gorgeous, Freya. That's good. See? I told you. Freya's having all my shoes when she grows up. I also got 2 different tops. And don't have makeup today. Just a bit tired. Isn't it, Freya? And Freya said to me, I'm perfect without makeup. So I took my daughter's words for it. She's honest, brutal honest. No? Okay, so we've got 2 tops. What are we doing with these? Okay. They're supposed to be very reminiscent of the Zara tops. Those are very, very nice. I'm very impressed with them.
It actually kind of fits me.
Freya, so you're saying that so you won't claim it? You want it for you?
Yeah.
No.
I'm gonna claim it.
Oh my God.
Because it fits me perfectly, Mama. Look, perfect size. Perfect.
I'm sure.
Guys, don't you think I should keep
Oh
these?
my
Comment down
God.
below.
Look at these sleeves, guys. We have to see this on. Look at this sleeve, man. Look at this. And the quality. And it's for everything £5.
Oh,
It's
and
incredible.
guys, I've been giving my mom very, very, very
Let's go,
so
Pearly.
much advice today.
You have, darling. She knows everything about growing a YouTube channel. She
I'm
tells
gonna
me
be
all the things that I'm not doing correct. And all the things I'm saying wrong. And why I'm not growing on YouTube. She knows the reasons
She
why.
said not long no see today in the video that I watched. And it's like in every sheriff movie or some type of Old Town Road movie, there's always long time no see, not long time not see. So guys, comment down below. Comment down below if my mom's incorrect about that video. If
Okay.
you've seen it.
Okay, so look at this quality, guys. It's
I feel
A1.
the quality.
It's,
Whoa.
it's beautiful. It's,
I can see my
mean,
hand through it. Look,
And
guys.
look, I
can
just
see
made
my
the bow,
hand.
and I think we're gonna try it on for you guys.
Me.
I will try it on later.
Aww.
I'm just,
I want
I'm
to
just
show
like
them
in
that
shock.
you could see my hand through it.
No, I'm just in shock about this. This is too gorgeous to be £5. It's ridiculous. is absolutely ridiculous, guys. No, she's laughing. Come on, Freya, let's try this. Let's see you as a little lady when you grow up. Look a little madam. Suits you. Okay. So that's that, £5, and I got the size M on this.
Size medium.
That's right.
Not M.
M is medium. People in YouTube knows. But let me have a look at these shoes again.
Mama, they fit me perfectly.
This is just
I'm gonna claim them. I'm gonna claim them.
I really love these.
I'm gonna claim
guys, and they do international you know, shipping. £5. Look at the bling in these, guys. Who's gonna say that you spent £5 in these gorgeous? It's actually nicer than Zara ones. Really like these, Freya.
Oh, Mama, before you upload the video, they can't even fit you. They can fit me though.
I know what you like. You want it for yourself.
My toes can fit all the way here.
Okay.
I'm gonna claim it. I'm gonna claim it.
Oh, no.
Oh, Mama. Before you upload this video, I need you to look at this video.
Freya's so worried about the editing and things like that. She's a perfectionist. Okay.
Mama,
See you
before you upload this video, you need to look at the video.
I think that's what everyone does. We have got our guest has gone now, so she's being a bit silly. So we have got this lovely top. I think I saw a designer. Is it called Raini or Raini? Raini, if I'm not mistaken. And they've got shirts like these on the runway. With these sort of cuts, you know, just nice. Oh my god, look at the sleeves. £5, guys. The quality is phenomenal, you know. The back as well. This is just a freaking amazing item. Look at the back. This is gorgeous. I can't wait to pair it up, style it for you guys. And the fabric itself is, oh, let me have a look what this is made of. Probably polyester. It is polyester. Excuse my disheveled look. But yes, guys, this is nice, and I got the size small to medium. I'm very excited about this shirt, and feels heavy. The quality is phenomenal. The cuts off, I mean, everything. It feels like it's linen around here, like cotton, a mixture of fabrics. Just feels amazing. Feels great, great quality. How incredible. I'm just blown away. To sell this for £5, I know we have a little thread in there, but it's nothing serious. It's nothing unraveling. I can't wait to try this on for you guys. And this top, it has taken the prize. It's so reminiscent of the Zara item. Even designer is very dense. Just fabulous. Look at the sleeves, look at the buttons, the pelly buttons, so classy. Okay? Okay, guys. That concludes the unboxing for everything £5 for August. Yeah, guys. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to comment, subscribe to the channel. Plenty more to come. A lot of outfit ideas and so on, cooking, vlogging, and all sorts. Thank you to all my subscribers. Until next time, peace out. Bye now.